Good evening. Thanks for joining us for Virtual Open House 2020. My name is Stoney Pryor, and I, of course, am the girls' soccer coach, as you guys know. I don't have a lot of news to share, but I think the most exciting thing that we've talked about is it looks like we're going to have a season. And right now, the season dates are the same. The UIL hasn't changed anything regarding soccer season yet, as far as our start times and tournaments and all that stuff. So we are continuing to press on ahead as though we will start on the Monday after Thanksgiving with our after-school practices and our actual in-season work. The girls have been working hard, and it's exciting to be able to be back together and to compete and to have the idea that we're going to be able to compete and represent College Station High School in just a few short months from now. I'll be getting you more information regarding the schedule and some other things as we get closer to the season. But I appreciate your support. And as always, if you have anything or questions for me, please email me and feel free to contact me. Thanks. Go Cougs.